A stunning admission from the Trump administration. Officials from the Department of Energy now acknowledge they cut billions in federal grants explicitly because those grants, that money, was supposed to go to states that didn't vote for President Trump in 2024. When it announced the cuts in October, the Trump administration said that it had, quote, determined that these projects didn't adequately advance the nation's energy needs, weren't economically viable, and wouldn't provide a positive return on investment of taxpayer dollars. Now we know that was not true. In recent court documents, first reported by the New York Times this afternoon, the Trump administration acknowledged that decisions around the grants were made, quote, based solely on the political identity of the grant recipient's state, i.e., whether the recipient's location and or place of performance was in a blue state or a non-blue state, end quote. The White House and the Energy Department did not respond to the New York Times' request for comment. But listen to how the Energy Secretary, Chris Wright, explained these cuts when he spoke to CNN the day after they were announced.
All of the contracts that we're told that are being canceled that were listed by the budget director are states that Kamala Harris won. So are you punishing only blue states?
Not at all. This is a partial list of an ongoing process. More project announcements will come.
This is a remarkable state of affairs that the federal government would do something like this. Lulu, I was kind of watching you as we were walking through this. What does it say? I mean, there have been so many times, especially during the second Trump administration, when we look at the way things have historically been, and we look at the way the Trump administration, particularly President Trump, is doing them now, and we note that a norm has been broken. This is certainly another thing on that list, but a really remarkable and stunning one, even though it may seem like the contents are kind of dry, but the implications are enormous.
The implications are enormous. First of all, they lied. So that's the first thing. And the difference is they lied to a journalist, but they can't lie in court. And so there it is in black and white. The second part of this is think about what this means. What has happened here is the Trump administration has taken away money to politically punish its enemies, and that means money that is taxpayer money from the American people. It is deciding that because a state voted one way or the other, they are not getting those funds which they are legally entitled to have. This is unprecedented in modern American history to do this in such a calculated fashion, and I think it should be sobering to everyone.